Here's how to solve a 1D projectile motion problem in physics. Warning: this trick only works if the starting and ending height of an object are the same. Which, since our ball starts on the ground and ends on the ground, we're all good. So solving for the time it takes for the ball to reach the maximum height, we know the initial velocity, the final velocity, and the acceleration due to gravity. Looking at our formulas, the only one that has what we're solving for, time, and what we're given, initial velocity, final velocity, and acceleration, is this first one. Now all that's left to do is to plug in the numbers, do a little algebra to solve for the unknown time, and you'll find that the ball reaches a maximum height in 2.0 seconds. Which, if we double it to get the total time for the ball to get back down to the ground, is 4 seconds. And there you have it.